Hello, everyone, from Yonkers, New York. My name is Omar Lamy, and this is just a quick video that speaks to a little bit about myself. Um, in terms of my family, I'm an only child from my mother, and on my father's side of the family, I have two sisters and five brothers, four nieces, four nephews, and I often say 1,000,001 cousins, one aunt, and three uncles. Um, Jamaica, of course, my country of origin. And interesting facts about Jamaica, other than Bob Marley and jerk chicken, Jamaica is the third largest island of the Greater Antilles and the Caribbean, just after Cuba and Hispaniola. And Jamaica has the seventh largest natural harbor in the world, known as the Kingston Harbor. Presently, I'm living in Yonkers, New York, which is located along the Hudson River, and this is New York's fourth largest city and the largest city in Westchester County. My professional background and interest: in the past, I worked in technology in my native country in K-12 schools, where I assisted teachers with infusing their lessons with technology for teaching and assessment purposes. Thus, my professional interest revolves around working in instructional technology in a K-12 school district or at the college level. And of lately, I have also been giving much thought to pursuing a doctoral degree post my mallet completion, with the intentions of ongoing research and possibly college level teaching. uh, COVID-19 work changes. Um, I'm a SUNY Empire State College returning student rather, where I completed my Bachelor of Arts in Educational Studies, graduating magna cum laude. Currently, I am pursuing the mallet, and I also work as an emergency room technician in a hospital. Now, COVID-19 has been the scariest experience of my entire life. In quick succession, I went from not wearing a mask to wearing a surgical mask and then an N95 mask with goggles along with full PPE. However, my experience at ESC has proven to me the value of attending classes online, while almost all areas of my life, such as work, leisure, and travel, etc., were interrupted because of COVID-19. ESC remained my single most constant experience during the onset of the pandemic. It kept me focused and gave me a daily purpose, and I'm, so ever so grateful for ESC. Thank you, Empire State College family, and I look forward to learning and sharing and growing intellectually, as well as working with all of you. Thank you. Have a great day.